Hello guys, today I want to tell you about iPhone 3GS sound problem. Some of you might be facing this. This is very irritating. The problem is that the sound doesn't come out of the speaker, not especially the sound from lock unlock, keypad, music and everything. It comes out of through this headphone jack. If you are using headphones hand-free, you can listen to all of the sounds through hand-free but not through the speaker. This problem is consistent with the iOS 5.0.1. You can do it with the nice little trick if you want to do it. First I'll show you. See if you can see is this. There's no unlock sound and there's no keypad sound, and then there is no music sounds when it plays. So to fix this, all you have to do is take a cotton stick or cotton swab that you usually use for cleaning your ears. You just have to take a bit of cotton on the top of it and take it inside this headphone jack and move it left to right to clean it up a bit, and then blow a bit of air in this jack to clean it off, and then start your music player, that is iPod or music, and take this iPhone headset jack and insert in it and play the music, and while it's played you can just take in and out, and you see the sound has already came out. So you have to take this pin and bring it in and out like this, and you'll see music has started playing. So we'll now check this sound, if it is coming while we are locking it. See, the sound is coming, and here you have unlock sound, and now your keypad sound is also coming. So this is basically the problem with the iPhone 3GS, is that the iPhone, when you take out this pin, sometimes when you're hearing music and when you take it off, sometimes iPhone 3GS doesn't recognize that this pin, this headset has been taken out, and it keeps on doing that, and you won't listen any sort of music or sound from the speaker, which is very annoying. And you can do it with help of this cotton swab and taking this pin in and out, and you have to reboot it once if you need to. So this is one of the tricks that you can do, and some of you guys can just blow compress air in this jack if it is not happening for you. Compress air through this jack will also help you bring out with this sound. So try your luck and let me know if it helped you, and subscribe and give any comments if you like to. Thank you for watching.